This is ToBeFree. Want to share with you here some more video clips coming out of Colorado. This is of the massive drill they have going on Raider Focus. I appreciate all the clips people send in. This is a collage of different clips from across the city. Pueblo, around the Rye exit, all these roads that are seeing heavy military traffic. If you guys got anything out there you want me to share, hit me up, ToBeFree@yahoo.com. Also, pay attention to the razor wire that is being carried on the flatbed on the back of one of these trucks in the next clip. And right here is the razor wire that you could see being hauled on the back of these flatbeds. Some choppers in on the action as well. And as you can see, there's all types of different equipment. Along with some more chopper activity behind it.